Hey, good morning. I'm Mitchell Schechter from the Schechter Report. We are at the International Hotel, Motel, and Restaurant Show, and I am speaking with Mike Ward, Marketing Director of Metro, here at the show. Mike, why have you guys chosen to be at this show this year?
Well, we've been at what we call the New York show for many years. Metro, long before I've been part of this team. And we find that we get a good local contingent coming to the show, also some international, and across the United States also. We find it's a good place to meet a lot of end users. What we have here today that we're showing is we have our non-insulated heated holding cabinet, which is not the best for energy efficiency, but for those customers that have a need for a low-cost cabinet, this is often used. Our recommendation, of course, is to move up from the non-insulated to an insulated cabinet. And one of the obvious advantages is energy savings. Yeah. But it's also an Energy Star product, and Energy Star in many states offers rebates, which offsets a lot of the additional upcharge. And then when you add that to the energy savings going to an insulated cabinet, it's very often a payback of 2 to 3 years, and sometimes
It's
less.
Designed for, let's say, healthcare or institutional food services.
It's good for the mom and pop. It's good for healthcare institutions. We sell a tremendous amount of cabinets to schools, so that non-commercial side is a very important part of our market.
Excellent. Okay, we're still here at Metro speaking about the new products the company has brought to the show. Mike, tell us a little bit about the features and capabilities of these products that you on the shelving side from Metro, your traditional product line.
As I'd stated, Metro racks, and it's what you see in coolers, not just in the United States but across the world. So Metro is really everywhere. We're a global company. We have, in addition to our wire shelving systems, we have all polymer systems and also hybrid of the metal and polymer, taking the best from both. One of the products we're highlighting at the show is Metro Max I, and Metro Max I is an all polymer system and basically has a lifetime warranty against rust and corrosion. One of the key features is we use Type 304 stainless steel on the corners where the highest stress takes place. We've been building shelving a long time, and we know what works, and we know having the stainless in the corners where all the stresses add up makes it a stronger piece. As far as, well, there we go. As far as being able to adjust, it's very simple on Metro Max I. It pops up, and you're able to very easily adjust the wedge at 1-inch increments.
Right.
And 1-inch increments is important for the operator so they can make maximum use out of the vertical space and the cube, particularly in the walk-in coolers, which is the most expensive real estate in most operations.
Absolutely.
And then very simply goes back on. When you put weight on it, it tightens up because of the wedging.
I see.
We have mats available that are solid and open. The solid mats help with containment of any spills or drips. The grid mats provide for good air circulation, which is important.
Right. So you recommend these specifically for different types of product storage, depending on the products that are
Our polymer and polymer hybrid systems are designed for any application, but specifically they work very well in wet environments, walk-in coolers.
Excellent.
We do sell it, primarily this is our #1 product in the non-commercial institutional side, but we do sell it throughout the commercial side of the business also.
Excellent.
We came out with after we came out with Metro Max, we came out with Metro Max Q, and one of the additions that we did to Metro Max Q is we provided an easy to release and adjust system. You just lift it, you're able to adjust and reposition the wedge as you did with Metro Max, and just drops back down, and again the wedging effect. The advantage of no tools is if you make it easy to adjust, the operator will adjust it and take away that wasted space. Years ago, Metro and most shelving systems were 4 shelves. Now we're finding most systems are 5 or 6 shelves.
Is that to get more product into fewer square feet?
They have the same cube, but they more efficiently use that cube with the 1-inch adjustability that you find on Metro products. We've had this product in our line. You alluded to NAFM before. We are introducing a new storage system at NAFM. Actually, we're doing a sneak peek preview of it here at this show.